Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought I would take a few minutes to update you on my status since I've been away from YouTube for maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. And I just wanted to explain what was happening. If you're not interested, that's okay. You can stop the video, and that's fine. But if you're interested in my status, I'm going to give you a quick summary of my status. Number one, I have a lot of health problems, which I'm not going to discuss. That's nothing new, except they were worsened by a situation that happened recently. And that situation was, number one, the heat alerts we've been having here in Clearwater, Florida, like every day for the past week. And on top of that, for the past 2 months, I've been trying to get my air conditioner replaced because it's over 40 years old, and it's gotten to the point now where it can't get repaired because it can't get parts for it. But they did patch it up one more time, and they gave me an estimate for a complete replacement, everything taken out, all new equipment. And I thought, man, it's time for that. Can't get parts, breaking down a lot. Even though it's excessive heat right now, I got to get it done. So it was scheduled to be done a couple of weeks ago. And then when they came to start, they found out some of the things that they were going to leave in from the old unit, they couldn't. They needed to take that out too. So that meant an extra day of work of removing all the old equipment, especially from the attic. Another problem I've had for this air condition is the filters are in the attic, so I have to climb in the attic to change the filter, which I can no longer climb in the attic. So that's one problem. The other thing that scared the bejesus out of me is it has a gas furnace which is in the attic. And every time I have to use that gas furnace, it scares the heck out of me. It's going to burn the house down. So that's gone. So I now, as of yesterday, it took them 3 days, have a complete new air conditioning system and a new breaker panel to accommodate it. And it seems to be working. It worked overnight, and it's still continuing to work. So because of that, the heat extremities, it was 95, 97 degrees in my office upstairs. Luckily, the air conditioner company loaned me a little room portable air conditioning unit, which I had them install in the living room because that was the only place that I could exhaust the heat out of into our back Florida room. And of course, when that heat exhausted in our back Florida room, the Florida room went to 97 degrees. And I tried to open some windows, and the old windows wouldn't open. Okay, it's too much detail. Anyway, it's the room air conditioner helped us survive the 3 days. We had to live in the living room where it was, but it kept the temperature down below 85 degrees. I did have a problem with an extension cord, finding one that was heavy enough to handle the current. I did find my heavy duty extension cord, so that problem was solved. And so we got through that 3 days with no air conditioning. On 4th July last week, the old air conditioning system broke down. And of course, it was a holiday, so they wouldn't come out on a holiday, so we had no air conditioning for 1 day. That was pretty bad. I actually ended up in the emergency room. I thought I was having a heart attack, and no, it was just the stress of the heat and everything. So anyway, I'm back now. I'm trying to get things caught up that had fallen behind, including my YouTube videos. I have one more radio from the collection that Jeff brought me, maybe 3 months ago. I'll do that probably today, and then I'll be up to date on doing all the videos, excuse me, all the radio reviews of the last batch he brought me, and then he can, when at his leisure, can bring me a new batch. I've been looking at some new radios to decide which ones I want to purchase and review for you. And what I do, and I've said this many times, is I take the money that I earn from my YouTube videos and the money I earn from my Amazon store, the link of which is below each of my videos, and I take that money in its entirety and use it to buy radios to review. So if I'm doing good on my YouTube video and my Amazon sales, then I can buy more expensive radios, which lately I haven't been doing too good. So anyway, that's the status. I'm sorry I'm babbling so much, but I thought it would be important to let you know what's going on and why I haven't been doing videos. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.